everybody, and welcome back to my CVS haul, or welcome back to my channel. Duh, I say that I don't know how many times, it's weird. But yes, I am super excited to share with you guys what I got at CVS. Everything went by smoothly. I was actually in and out a lot faster than what I usually do. Sometimes I'm in there forever, but it depends on who's working. Sometimes I'm chatty Cathy, and sometimes I'm just like, let's go. But I woke up early and I got going right away, so that's why I'm excited to post these videos a little bit early, because Sundays are the only days I really get to sleep in and just relax. So that's why I do that. But I want to share with you guys some deals that I did. Now, as you guys know, I do have two cards. Now, I try not to do the same deals on both cards. I try to show you guys different deals on different cards, because some of my one card gets better CRTs than the other. It all depends on that. But what I wanted to share with you guys is the Kotex deal. Now, these were $1.79. They're buy one get one 50% off. My store didn't have these marked, but I did go price check it, and they did show that they were on sale. So I'm like, okay, they're on sale, and these are perfect for like travel. I mean, there's 18 of these little guys in here. It's crazy. But you guys would end up paying $2.68 for the both of these. But then you guys will get $2 back in an ECB, making them 68 cents or just 34 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal if you guys need something like this. If you guys want something different, now I did do this in a different, on my other card, because sometimes people don't want the small things. Everybody's different, everybody gets different things. But I ended up getting the light days. I have these for me just in case, you know I have, when I have the baby, I gotta use some of this stuff. So this is the reason why I did get this. But these were $4.79. Again, buy one get one 50% off. I used two $1 off coupons that we had from our inserts from a couple weeks ago. You guys would pay $5.18. Now, I did have a 2 off a 10, and I also had a 2 off a 8 CRT, but the deal was limit 1. Otherwise, I would have gotten more, but the deal was just limit 1, so I couldn't use that CRT if I wanted to, because I'd pay more out of pocket. But anyways, you guys would pay $5.18, but you guys would get that $2 ECB back, making it $3.18 or $1.59. So I thought $1.59 for feminine products is pretty much a good deal. I haven't gotten feminine products, like a decent amount of feminine products, in a while. So in case you guys want to do that deal and your store is sold out of these, I know somebody came and took a bunch of those, so that's why I saw the one that wasn't marked and I got those instead. I didn't do the CoverGirl deal. I could have, but I'm just like, I never cut out the coupons for it, and I'm sick of getting eyebrow pencils, so not a deal I really wanted to do, but did not do that anyways. Now, I did the Suave Gold deal, and I saw a lot of people doing the Suave Gold and the deodorant deal, which is fine, but I actually had a better deal with the Suave Gold, or Suave, there's just Suave. These were $3 a piece. I used 2 3 off of 2 coupons, or I used 2 3 off of 2 coupons. Sorry, it's a tongue twister. And then I had a $2.25 off a 10 shampoo CRT that I used. So I ended up paying $3.75 for the 4 of these. But then you guys will get $3 back when you buy, I think it was when you spend so much, I think is what, when you spend 10, you get 3, I think. So you get $3 back. So I actually paid 75 cents for all 4 of these, or just 18 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. So that I'm going to get that deal because it comes out to be a little bit cheaper than the other deals that I saw. I got Emblem. Because why not? These are something I can just put in a baggie and eat them while I'm at work to snack on. So the M&Ms were 2 for $5. I used 2 $1 off coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay $3 for the both of these, but then you guys will get a $1 ECB, making them just $1 a bag. And I think that's a pretty good deal because you could get a tiny bag for pretty much the same price, and this is like 5 times the price or 5 times the size. So, and I feel like I always get M&Ms at CVS. I never get M&Ms at Walgreens or anywhere else. My place to get M&Ms has always been CVS. They always hook me up. So, wanted to get that deal because it's just good to like have a little snack here and there. Now, I did the Venus razor deal. I haven't got Venus razors in forever at CVS, so I was pretty excited to get this. And I really like getting the good ones. These were the ones I've used in the past. I like the actual metal handle, but I still got a lot of those, so these ones are just as good. These are $9.99. You guys want to buy 2 of them? You guys want to use 2 $3 off coupons that we just got in today's P&G. I had a 6 off of 2 Venus CRT, plus I had a 3 off of 12 shave. So the wording's different for the, it just says 6 and then it says parentheses 2. So that coupon you can actually combine with the 3 off of 12 CRT. Some of them you can't, some of them you can, but this one I could. So I paid $5.98 for the both of these, but then you guys will get a $6 ECB for buying 2 of them, making these absolutely free, and I love it. From 20 bucks to free, that is an awesome, awesome deal. So I definitely wanted to share with you guys on that. I always keep saying the same thing. In my Walgreens video, I spilled my water all over my shirt, so give me 1 second. I've noticed I'm not as out of breath anymore, but I'm just thirsty all the time. That's all I've been drinking is just water, 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 water. Colgate deal. My store didn't have this tag, so I had to kind of guess what was on sale, but this was $3.99. I had one $2 off coupon that we got from coupons.com a while back. The coupon expires in a couple days, I think, and I'm like, I'm going to use that. I only had just one left, so I ended up paying just like $1.99 for this, but then you guys will get $2 back in an ECB. So this comes out to be free. I love it when I can get free mouthwash, and this is actually the mouthwash I've been using right now, so I like that. Now here's the deal for the cash card deal that I thought. I was doing my math last night, and I'm like, you know what? I really want to stock up on feminine products. That's one thing I rarely ever really get, especially the Tampax brand. I actually use this brand when I do have my period, but I really like this stuff, and this is stuff I always put in the Jennifer pile. Like, I don't ever really get rid of it because this is stuff I rarely ever coupon for. So, the Tampax and the Always are on sale for 2 for $8, okay? So, you guys want to buy 4 of the Tampax. So, I got 4 Tampax. And you guys want to buy 4 of the Always. So, you guys want to buy 4 Always pads. Okay. You guys want to use 4 $3 off coupons. So, there's 3 off of 2 for the Always, and there's a 3 off of 2 for the Tampax. So you guys want to use 2 of each coupon, okay? I also had a 2 off of 8 any Tampax, Always, feminine product, CRT. So I ended up paying $18 for all 8 of them, which I think is a pretty good deal. Yeah, I think it's actually a pretty decent deal without anything back. But you guys will get a $10 cash card back. Now, what happens is it prints off, and then the store has to give you a cash card. Now, that cash card is basically a gift card. You guys can use it under any account. You guys, it never expires. If you want to save it for Christmas, you can save it for Christmas. But you guys will get a $10 cash card. I left mine upstairs. So my total came to $8 for everything. I got everything for $1 a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal for this stuff. Like, this is stuff I rarely ever get coupons for. So, I mean, everybody's brand loyal. I'm brand loyal to certain things, but I definitely wanted to stock up on feminine products because I feel like I hardly been buying. I don't know the last time I bought feminine products at CVS. I don't even think it's been this year. That's how crazy it's been. So I feel like I keep buying the same things at Kroger and Walmart. I keep buying the same things over and over again. So it's nice to get some stuff that I'd rarely ever get. So wanted to share with you guys on that deal in case you guys want stuff, and you only just need 2 inserts for that. I did the Schick deal again. Now, one thing I do like is they actually gave you a Schick blade, or a Schick holder. So this one came with 4 cartridges and then 1 handle, and this was $13.49. And then this one, I think it's the same thing. I think this is the same one. This one is just 1 handle and 2 cartridges for $11.29. So you can choose what one. So what happens is it's $11.29 and $13.49. I use that buy one get one free coupon that we have. So it takes off $11.29 because you get the razor for free. I also had a 3 off of 12 shave that I used with my other card. So I ended up paying $10.49 for both of these. But then you guys will get $10 back in an ECB. So I got these for 49 cents or just a quarter a piece, and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it when you can get stuff super cheap. I mean, this is what, almost a $25 value. $25 value. I got it for 25 cents. So excited about that. I ended up getting this gold Emblem drink. Now this was in the cooler. I was looking all over for it. I saw they had these on sale for like 88 cents, and I know there's coupons that you guys can print. So what you guys want to do is you go to CVS.com, and in the search bar you actually just type in coupons. Now they have the same coupons as coupons.com, but then sometimes they also have specific coupons that say CVS only. The only thing is with those coupons you can only use 1 per transaction, which I'm totally fine with, and they don't expire until like June, and then I think they'll come out again and not expire till they'll not expire till Christmas. So I just decided to print one off and use this because I thought, you know, this is something new. So I took a picture. I'm like, husband, what flavor do you want? He's like, this one. He's like, thank you. And I'm like, I always think about my husband. Every time I'm shopping, I always take a picture. I'm like, what do you want out of these? Like, he gets his choice, which is fine with me because then he feels important that I included him. And then he gets treats. But this was 88 cents. You guys use that $1 off coupon. You guys will end up being a 22-cent moneymaker. So that is a great deal. I haven't used those CVS coupons in forever. Now, got my cereal deal. You guys, I did a live the other day, and somebody's like, what's your favorite thing to coupon for? And I could not figure it out. I'm like, I don't know. And then like 5 of you guys are like, cereal, 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 cereal. I'm like, oh yeah, cereal. Right now it's cereal. Until after I'm done having my kid, it's cereal. So, but anyways, these were $1.99 a piece, okay? Now you guys can just buy one or the other. It's up to you. I thought I'm going to do this because when I scanned it at the store, they had a bonus that popped up. So, I'll give you guys 2 different scenarios. So these are each $1.99 each. You guys would pay $1.99 each. But then you guys can submit a 45-cent rebate for this one or a 45-cent rebate for this one. Comes out to be $1.54 if you guys decide to do one or the other. But if you guys decide to buy both of them, you guys would pay $3.98. You each would get a 45-cent rebate on Ibota. I swear I said that. But then if you guys buy 2 of them, you get a 25-cent bonus deal on Ibota, making this just $2.83 or $1.41. So it comes out to be like about 13 cents cheaper if you guys buy them together with that 25 bonus thing. So did I say 20? Yeah, I don't know. But it ends up being a pretty good deal. And Cocoa Pebbles is like my go-to thing. I haven't had Fruity Pebbles in years. But guess what? I'm opening this box to eat today. So got those. And that was my haul. I ended up having to do 4 transactions because certain CRTs I cannot use in the same transaction. So I was just, everything went by smoothly, didn't have any problems. I was talking to the store manager saying, you know, I'm so glad like everything went through. And then she started telling me about like these people who are really trying to use coupons that are expired. And I'm like, really? Like, why would you use coupons that are expired? So, because the store can get in trouble for using those. So, I was just listening to them stories because, like, they like it that I'm an honest couponer. I follow the rules. I don't want them to get in trouble. So, they like that. But out of my 4 transactions, my total came to $6.93 for everything. I ended up using $41 of ECBs, but I did receive $36 back. So, I did take a loss, but you know what? I don't care. For $6.93 for all that stuff, I think that's awesome. I ended up getting $1.15 back right away from Ibota. That is for the 2 cereals. So my grand total came to $10.78. I got 26 items at just 41 cents a piece. I think that is a great deal. I mean, yeah, I barely paid anything for it. I got some good stuff. I mean, I got drinks, feminine products, cereal, why not? So yes, I just wanted to share with you guys everything I got at CVS. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it. And I'll see you all next week for another CVS haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.